Hi, hello friends. Welcome to another interesting video. Do you know in India, in the last 30 days, how many companies, LLPs have been incorporated? In this video, we will find those details released by MCA every month. It's a very simple step. We will in the Google type MCA, click on the first website, which is the official website. In this website, here in the data and reports, click on that. Come down on the left side. Here you can see company or LLP information. Click on that. Here you can see incorporated or closed during the month. So the recent one is the last month is May month. So we will find for the May month. In this, on the right side, click master details of companies registered. Click on this. Here you can see for the May month 2023, Indian companies, foreign companies registered in May 2023. Here click on this download button. So it will download an Excel file. So I am downloading this. So wait for a minute, it will get opened. So here is the downloaded file. Here there are three sheets. First one Indian companies, second one LLP companies, third one foreign companies. So if you look at the Indian companies, here the title is monthly company Indian and foreign and LLP incorporation FO portal report. This is issued on this report is released on 1st June 2023. So this is for the month May 2023. So if I just count the number of companies, so here you can see it is 17,019. So the companies I'll just add here for the purpose of totaling 19. Then we will go to LLP. So here I'll count this. So it is 5755 and foreign companies are just 4. So I'll add here. So as you can see, in the month of May, there are 22,778 companies have been incorporated. So this will give a brief information in that. And not only this much, if you are belongs to a state, say example, so I'll search here for the state of Karnataka. So here is the column state. In this, you can filter the state name. Here I am selecting the Karnataka state. So if I just count, so in Karnataka state itself, around 1,295 companies have been incorporated. So even you can fit there is only one ROC in Karnataka, and you can check the private company, public companies, and even one person companies, and in some cases there will be Section 8 companies, and here you can check company type, whether guarantee company, non-government company, subsidiary of company which is already incorporated, then authorized capital, paid up capital, activity. Here you can see in which business they are engaged. Here you can see the description of that business. Here you can see, for example, I'll check select first one, that is accounting, bookkeeping and auditing activities. So in this area there are 4 companies have been registered. So this is like this. So like this you can find the details, and here you can find the official mail ID of that company. So, and even the registered office, say if you want to find a particular district here, say example here Bidar is there. So to find that here just type that. So in that district itself there are how many? So there are 9 companies from the same district. So the so that is just for your information. So even you can find like this. So every month this will give you an idea like how businesses are growing in a particular field. So that's all my friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please put mention in the comments. Thank you.